Open your English notebook. Draw a margin line on your notebook. Write here date. What date is today? Today is 25th August 2020. 25th August 2020. Write here CW. CW means class work. After that write day. What day is today? Today is Tuesday. TUESDAY day. Tuesday. TUESDAY day. Tuesday. Today we are going to learn new letter L, M and N. These are the basics lines. All students say with me: straight line, sleeping line, slanting line, half circle, full circle and cross. Dear students, I am writing with black pointer, but student must use lead pencil to write the letters. How to write capital L? Straight line and sleeping line. All students write with me capital L. And how to write small l? Straight line and turn. This is your small l. L sound L. Ella, land. Straight line, sleeping line. Small l, straight line and turn. This is your small l. Ella, leave. Straight line and sleeping line. Capital L. Straight line and turn. This is your small l. Ella, लैपटॉप. लैपटॉप में आज कल कुछ बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लास भी लैपटॉप में लेते हैं, कुछ बच्चे मोबाइल पे लेते हैं. एल्ला लैपटॉप. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट विद मी स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड टर्न. दिस इज योर स्मॉल एल. एल्ला लाइन. My next letter is M. How to write capital M? Straight line and again straight line and then slanting line and slanting line. This is your capital M. And how to write small m? Middle की 2 line में हम small m लिखेंगे. Straight line, turn and straight line, turn and straight line and turn. This is your small m. Capital M, small m. M sound M. Emma, mango. Straight line and again straight line, slanting line and slanting line. This is your capital M. M sound M. Emma, mug. टर्न, स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड टर्न. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जैसे ऊपर में एम स्मॉल एम में गैप नज़र आ रहा है, आपने भी इसी तरह गैप के साथ लिखना है. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स डू योर वर्क नीट एंड क्लीन. स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड अगेन स्लैंटिंग लाइन. कैपिटल एम. एंड हाउ टू राइट स्मॉल एम? स्ट्रेट लाइन, turn and straight line, turn and straight line and turn. Emma, mouse. Straight line, again straight line, slanting line and slanting line. And Emma, moon. आपको पता है मून कहाँ नजर आता है? आसमान पे. और कब नजर आता है? रात को. Emma, moon. Straight line, again straight line, slanting line and again slanting line. This is your capital M. And small m, straight line, middle की 2 lines में turn and straight line, turn and straight line and turn. Emma, mirror. My next letter is N. And how to write capital N? Straight line, again straight line, and then slanting line, capital N. मिडिल की 2 लाइन्स में लिखेंगे स्मॉल एन, स्ट्रेट लाइन, टर्न, स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड टर्न. दिस इज योर स्मॉल एन. एंड now nose. Dear students, do your work neat and clean. Straight line, again straight line, and then slanting line. And how to write small n? Straight line, turn, and straight line and turn. And now nuts. Straight line, and again straight line, and then slanting line, capital N. Straight line, turn, straight line and turn, small n. And now neck. Straight line, again straight line, and then slanting line, capital N, and straight line and turn, and then straight line, small n. And now name. Straight line, again straight line, and then slanting line, straight line, turn, and straight line and turn. This is a small n, capital N, small n. And now 9. Capital L, small l, L sound L, Ella, lamb. This is your capital M. This is your small n, M sound M, Emma, monkey. This is your capital N, and this is your small n, N sound N, and 9.